Welcome everybody. So I'm playing Merge Elves and I've got another tier 2 merge to make, and this time it's going to be with this unicorn. So another one that I really like. I think I like pretty much nearly all of the elves, but yeah, this is another favourite, and this one comes from chest as well. It's really fast at harvesting too. Let's just put that one back on there. If you compare it to another type of elf, if you've got them both on here at the same time, it harvests much faster. So this one comes from the wooden chest that cost 12 gems each, and again, if you merge them up to the egg vault, you'll get some nests for 60 gems, and you can watch the ads to get them for cheaper. Okay, so let's do a level 4 merge with these. Okay, and I've got a dimensional jar with that as well. I've left the other one there still. Tempted. I think they're 450 gems each. Yeah. Yeah. And you can't watch ads for those, can you? No. So that's a shame. If there was ads, I'd be tempted to watch 450 ads to get those cheaper. Okay, so what's it called? It's called Nest of Kylin eggs. Okay. Alright, fingers crossed I get a good amount of eggs. Okay, yeah, that was 6 in that one. Let's merge those. Ooh, they're cute. They've got a sort of pinky bronzy colour hair. Well, I suppose you could call it rose gold, really. Okay. Yeah, definitely like those ones. And 2 more in there as well. So let's have a look at those discoveries. So that was the egg. Yeah, Kylin egg. Kylin babies. And those ones, yeah, if you see the other one, it's blue. And then this one has got this sort of rose gold hair and sort of a greenish tinge to the ears as well. So yeah, very cute. As I say, they're very fast harvesters as well. Look forward to getting more of these tier 2 ones. Obviously the goal is to get up to the level 10 on all of these, so it could take a while. Okay, thanks for watching everybody.